I'm happy to open today's integrated event as we gather to celebrate our refreshed brand and our commitment to giving back. What's Next Start With Us workshop is designed to inspire us to embrace change, foster inclusion, and spark innovation. Let's continue to embody the Hitachi value of harmony, sincerity, and pioneering spirit. Thank you so much again, and Merry Christmas.
It's very fun and engaging, and there's bonding among different colleagues across the function.
I was so impressed by very engaging workshop. Especially, I'm really glad to see the lots of team building activities by learning the Hitachi brand values.
It's my first time attending, and I think the experience is very fresh and new. Being able to interact with a lot of people with different activities relating to our core values and our brand, it kind of resonates more with the true One Hitachi that we are striving towards too. So I think it's a very meaningful way to contribute to society, as well as knowing the people that I've been working with in other group of companies. Yeah, it's just very educational and informative.
I've seen all three values in today's session. It actually warms my heart. Although we are clueless on why we have to actually collect all the cups, but as time goes by, we actually understand what the process is like, and come to the end of the process, it really feels like it's an accomplishment for all of us also.
The first day, the event was centered around with our Hitachi core value, harmony. We teamed up with different colleagues from our different group company with sincerity and pioneering spirit. We built Christmas tree with the cardboard boxes and paper cup for the children for this Christmas event. These 2 days, I feel the most proud is that you get to see how Hitachi's greatest strength, our value and our people connect to the society and the community.